Welcome to our channel. If you're a homeowner in the Coachella Valley, you know how important it is to keep your HVAC system in top shape. With our scorching summers and cool winter nights, a well-maintained HVAC system is essential for your comfort and energy efficiency. Today we're sharing some vital HVAC maintenance tips to help you keep your system running smoothly all year round. Let's dive into some key maintenance tips that you can easily do yourself. First up, change your air filters regularly. In the Coachella Valley, it's recommended to check your filters every month and replace them at least every 3 months. Dirty filters restrict airflow, causing your system to work harder and use more energy. Simply locate your filter, remove the old one, and insert a new filter in the correct direction. This simple step can improve your air quality and extend the life of your HVAC system. Next, keep your outdoor unit clean and clear of debris. Dust, leaves, and other debris can accumulate around your unit, obstructing airflow and reducing efficiency. Use a garden hose to gently spray the unit and clear away any debris. Make sure to turn off the power before you start cleaning. Another important tip is to check your thermostat settings. Make sure your thermostat is set to the desired temperature and that it's functioning properly. Consider upgrading to a programmable thermostat if you don't already have one. This allows you to set temperature schedules so you're not cooling or heating an empty home, saving you money on energy bills. Finally, schedule regular professional maintenance. Having a certified technician inspect and tune up your HVAC system at least once a year can catch potential issues before they become major problems. A professional will check refrigerant levels, inspect electrical components, and ensure everything is running efficiently. At Anthem, we understand the unique HVAC needs of Coachella Valley homeowners. Our team of experts is here to provide you with top-notch service and maintenance to keep your system running smoothly. Schedule your maintenance appointment with us today and enjoy peace of mind all year round. Visit our website or give us a call to book your appointment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more HVAC tips and home maintenance advice. Thanks for watching. Stay comfortable, Coachella Valley, and remember, with Anthem, your comfort is our priority.